Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Okay, blue. I don't know. You put the video up not too long ago. But it was a single sub, single DB. I remember a coil came undone. Yeah, it was actually the cap, the coil cap. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, it was okay. Let me go walk around real quick.
So where's the subs?
They're facing back.
Oh, okay.
Two HTC 315s.
Okay. Sound Cube?
Yep.
Nice. Who built the box?
I did.
Okay.
Everything you see is built by me.
What made you do the box facing subs that way instead of this way?
It's just that it hits a little bit harder on the meter.
That's
really it.
Yes, sir. Is there a port?
Yeah, there's actually two separate ports, one on each side.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
The box is, they do share area, but
Okay.
there's two separate ports.
Yes, sir. Very nice. You got a lot of work in this truck, I can tell. Everything's dynamatted real well.
Yeah, I've had to add metal on here because I actually split the roof already 10 inches. So
Really?
I had to add metal in here and stuff like that. So.
Okay. Nice job. And what is this in the back? Is this a layer or a deadener, or what is that?
It's just a piece of wood right now.
Okay.
With just this fabric over it.
That's pretty cool.
That's all it is.
I like it. So what's your electrical like?
I have a 240 amp alternator, JS alternator. I have two platinum diehards under the hood, one just for starter, one on the highs, and I have a 220 AGM actually in the back in a cooler.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of hidden back.
Yes, sir.
So I've got over 300 amp hours of AGM.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. There you go. That's pretty cool. All right.
thank you very much for the demo.
I appreciate it.
I do remember the last time I think you had the subwoofer issue where the cone or something was wrong on it from the recon. Yes, sir. Very nice. Hey, you have a good day. What was your name?
Brian Miller.
Brian Miller. Thank you, Brian.
Have a good one.
I like the doors. What are these?
Those are actually 8 ohm house speakers.
Okay.
From like a ceiling of an old house that we remodeled.
Yeah, there you go. It works. All right.
And it don't sound too bad either.
Yeah, man.
Hold it down, light 'em up. Holy smokes.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.